OpenLiteSpeed is a powerful, open-source web server designed for speed and efficiency. It's perfect for WordPress sites and can deliver much better performance than traditional servers. With OpenLiteSpeed, you will get super-fast page loading, strong security features, lower use of server resources, and most importantly built in LiteSpeed, caching for even better performance. So, ready to speed up your site with OpenLiteSpeed on FlyWP? Let's dive in. Alright, here we go. First, log into your FlyWP dashboard. Once logged in, you will be landed here. Now pick your server. After that, look for that magical Create New Site button here. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, it's decision time. Choose what type of website you want to create. For today's adventure, we're going with the Instant Site option. Let me tell you why instant sites are awesome. Instant Sites in FlyWP lets you create a WordPress site in just one click. It's perfect for testing new themes or plugins without touching your live site. This way, you can experiment without risks and deploy only when you're ready. On the next screen, we are keeping things simple and sticking with the default settings. So just click Next. Now comes the exciting part. Select OpenLiteSpeed as your server stack. This powerhouse ensures smooth sailing for your site. And don't forget to pick your PHP version. Choose whichever one suits your project best. Click that Next button again. Almost there. Time to give your site a cool title and fill in your login credentials. Once you are happy, hit the magical Create Site button. Now sit back and relax. Your new site is being whipped up behind the scenes. In just a few minutes, you will have a fresh, new WordPress site with ready to roll. And there you have it. Your site is now ready with OpenLiteSpeed on FlyWP. FlyWP is built to support your site's growth while maintaining top-notch performance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building with FlyWP. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates.